In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your email to a contact form on Wix. Let's dive right in and make sure your website's visitors can easily reach you through your contact form. To start this process, you'll first need to open your Wix website editor. Once you've accessed the editor, navigate to your contact form. This is where the magic happens. Click on the contact form to select it. Next, you'll notice three dots, which is known as the More Options menu. Click on those dots to reveal further settings for your contact form. Among the options, you'll see an option labeled Quick Edit. Go ahead and click on Quick Edit. This allows you to swiftly make changes and adjust various form settings without diving too deep into the settings panel. Inside the Quick Edit menu, you need to find and click on the option labeled Set Links. This step is crucial as it helps define what actions your form will trigger, such as sending information to your email. While you're here, you might notice a few social bar elements that you don't need. It's best to keep things clean and simple, so feel free to remove any unnecessary social bars. Just click to remove any elements that clutter your form's layout. After cleaning up your form, you should also remove any images that aren't necessary by clicking on Remove Image. A tidy form is simpler for users to navigate. Once you've removed the excess, turn your attention back to adding an icon by clicking on Add Icons. Here you can select an email icon that will visually represent the contact action. Choose one that fits the aesthetic of your website, and then click on Add to Gallery. This will incorporate the icon into your form. The next step involves linking the icon to an email address. Click on Add a Link, and you'll see Email as one of the options. You'll want to click on Email, which will prompt you to enter your email address. Make sure to type in your correct and active email address so that you'll receive the communications from visitors engaging with your form. To wrap things up, it's time to save your changes. Click on Done to confirm and close the link setup. Don't forget to click on Done once again to finalize all your edits in the Quick Edit mode. And there you have it. Your contact form is now linked to your email, enabling seamless communication with your audience. Remember, keeping your contact form functional and straightforward not only enhances user experience, but also boosts your site's effectiveness. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps if needed. Happy editing,